Name as many Money in the Bank participants that you can in 1 minute. Go.
Randy Orton, Edge, Mr. Kennedy. I should probably think of winners. John Cena, Rob Van Dam, Drew McIntyre, Jack Swagger, CM Punk, John Morrison. He wasn't a winner. The Miz, Big Show. He didn't win, but he was in it. Mark Henry also didn't win it, but he was in it. Um, let's go. Bailey, Alexa Bliss, Charlotte, Sasha Banks, Becky, Nikki Cross, Nikki ASH. I don't think we can count both of them. Let's say Ember Moon, Nia Jax, maybe. Ric Flair, Matt Hardy, Jeff Hardy. Did I say John Morrison? I don't know if I did, but he was in one. Shelton Benjamin, Evan Bourne, Christian. He's been in a lot. Kane. I said Edge. Booker T, Finley, Chris Jericho. Peace. Who?
Time.
Fuck.